Hi guys, this is an iPhone XR and I broke the lens right there. Look at that. It has a crack. So what we're gonna do is I'm gonna change the old lens to this new one. So I got this from Taobao and it was only around I think 20 RMB or something like that. To make sure that the phone is off. We're gonna use this blower. I love this blower. You can use this for cooking food. We're heating this up because there's an adhesive right underneath the lens. We need to try removing this lens with finishing to should wear my goggles. Try not to puncture the lens. Now we have that open camera. That's where I need this. Put this with that. Now that it's clean, we have to install the lens. Please like and subscribe.